Hello everyone! For our cooking vlog today, we are going to cook Chinese dish, Mapo Tofu. These are the ingredients. Soft tofu, shrimp. We are going to use shrimp into this dish, but you can use ground pork, you can use ground chicken, you can use ground beef, and you can use shrimp, ground shrimp. Garlic, ginger, scallion, red chili. And guys, this is very important for this dish. Red or pink peppercorn. Shout out to my videographer, Sugar. Hello sa mga owner ng mga karinderya dyan sa Pilipinas, yung mga nag-message sa akin. Nagpapaturo ng recipe sa mga karinderya nila. Okay. Pwede nyo itong idagdag sa menu ninyo. Okay, hindi rin siya ganun ka-expensive at hindi rin siya ganun kahirap lutuin. Napakadali lang to. Kayong gumamit lang ng kahit ordinary tofu lang sa palengke. Pwede yung gumamit lang ng soy sauce lang. Eto, may mabibili din kayo na to sa palengke lang, chili bean sauce. Kahit eto lang, yan lang. Kahit hindi na kayo gumamit ng black mushroom, ng oyster sauce, pwede kayong gumamit ng kahit na anong klaseng vinegar. Then, yung gagamitin ninyong broth, kahit na pinaghugasan ng bigas or water lang. Tuturo ko sa inyo yung pag-slice pag-cut ng tofu natin. Okay, this is soft tofu. Pero dyan sa Pilipinas, kahit anong tofu pwede ito. Applicable naman siya. Kung hindi authentic talaga yung lutuin ninyo. But if you want na ma-achieve yung authentic na Mapo Tofu, it should be silk tofu or soft tofu. Ito yun na guys. Lagyan natin. Ayan na siya, yung tofu natin. Yep. Ngayon, i-cut natin sa small pieces ang ating shrimp. So, tagtarin natin ating shrimp. Yan. Let's cut into small pieces. So guys, here's the shrimp. Okay, so we're done cutting our tofu. Ngayon, mag-boil tayo ng water. This is the process. Boil ng water, then i-shoot natin siya. This is very important. Ito yung process ng red peppercorn. Ito talaga yung kakailanganin natin pag magluluto tayo ng Mapo Tofu. Ito yung hindi pwedeng mawala. So, this is the way how we do it. So, guys, i-toast nyo lang siya. Dito. Then, dikdikin natin. Yep. We're done with our red peppercorn. This is very important sa dish na ito. Ito talaga yung magbibigay ng kakaibang aroma. So, Bango niya, guys. Okay, guys, let's get started. Any kind of oil. Garlic. Off ko muna, maglalagay tayo ng condiments. Tapos na tayo sa shrimp. Ito na yung tofu natin. Na-boiled na siya. Just bring it into a boil lang. 1/3 soy sauce. Black soy sauce. This is optional. It's okay kahit wala kayong black soy sauce. Okay, 1/3 din na to. Black vinegar. 1 tablespoon of black vinegar. Okay guys, if you cannot find black vinegar, kahit anong vinegar na. Then, oyster sauce. 1/4 oyster sauce. Kahit wala kayong oyster sauce, it's okay. Sugar. And 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 2 tablespoon of chili bean. 1, 2. Oops. Any kind of broth, pwede nyo gamitin. 1, 2. Okay, so, nandito na lahat yung condiments niya. Mix nyo lang. Mix. Ilagay na natin itong tofu natin. Tofu. This one is always present in Chinese restaurant. It's very known in Chinese people. Then, as usual guys, we need the cornstarch and water to thicken the Mapo Tofu. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so we're done with our Mapo Tofu. So, kinakain ng Mapo Tofu with rice.